Yes, on this video, I'm going to show you how to create account on this online banking script. So just watch carefully for you to understand how to do it, and it is very easy to operate. Okay, so after that, all you need to do is just for you to log in. It's just for you to click on continue. So you can see that we just log in now. We just log in our account. Okay, now what we are doing on this video is how to credit account. If you want to fund account, it's just for you to click on this column, click on it. The first one, you click on it, fund account. You can see it. So if you want to fund your client account, you say send money to gift Greg. Okay, you can see it. So now I want to fund amount to credit. Okay, I want to credit $20,000. Okay, local transfer, you can change it. Check deposit, international transfer. Okay, let's say international transfer. Then description, the purpose of transfer, you can say contracts, award. So don't forget, this is just a test run. It's not compulsory that you must do your own like my own. Okay, so frequency 1. So send email notification. If you want the customer to receive email notification, you can as well on it. If you don't want the customer to receive an email, you say no. So me, I don't want the customer to receive email. Okay, continue. Review transaction. You are about to send 20,000 US dollar to gift Greg. Okay, transaction scope, international transfer, account number, amount $20,000, description, contract award, then frequency 1, email notification no. Okay, now once you click on confirm transaction, the money will be successfully sent to this client's account. Okay, now I want to click on confirm. Mind you, if you want to click on modify, meaning you want to edit something inside. So me, I'm done. Let me just click on confirm the transaction for the money to reflect in the client account. Okay, wow. So I've just confirmed it. You can go and check the account balance of gift Greg. You can see Greg gift Greg now have $52,000, $520,000. You can see it. You now have $520,000. So you can see that the money I've just top up. Okay, right now we are going to be moving to the next training. Okay, we have a lot to do in this bank because this bank is a full feature bank. All right, don't forget, if you need this script for educational purpose, do as well contact me. I will give you this bank script. Note, it is meant for educational purpose and for legit purpose. Thank you. Stay tuned.